Hello, my name is Molnar. I'm the art lead of Pixoloid Studios, and I will be one of your instructors in our course IP Development for Production. I've been creating concepts and illustrations for the entertainment industry for more than 12 years, and since we founded Pixoloid Studios, we contributed to more than 20 films and TV series. To name a few, we worked on the Art Directors Guild Award winner The Alienist series, the Secret War episode of Netflix's Love, Death and Robots, the Hollywood blockbuster Rocketman, and National Geographic's popular documentary sci-fi series Mars. Having a wide variety of projects under our belts, we are eager to share our expertise with you. In this course, you will choose a story to work with, and we are going to walk you through the design process from the point where you assemble reference and mood boards, to the creation of concepts, up to the stage when you create a compelling presentation of all your works for the given story. Over the course of 10 weeks, we'll be covering the principles of character, prop, and environment design with the goal of creating a visually cohesive world and making sure that the different elements support and complement each other. We will also talk about visual storytelling, touching on storyboards so that you can choose the most appropriate scenes to tackle as keyframe designs. With the keyframe concepts, you will pull together your previously established design decisions and create an illustration that is well staged, appropriately lit to your story moment, communicates the mood of your world, and captivates your chosen audience. If you already have a passion project in the works, bring that on board and we'll help you shaping it up. Each week you will hear a short lecture about the core principles of the given design task and have one of our senior artists walk you through their process in a pre-recorded demo. You will get personal feedback on your homework assignments every week, and you can pick our brain at weekly live Q&A sessions. Whether you have a passion project, what you would like to develop further, or have a story, what you would like to pitch, or just strengthen your portfolio as a concept artist, this course is for you. Sign up and see you in the classroom.